When should you DIY your marketing and when should you hire a pro? Join us for a live virtual presentation this week to find out. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Sagal with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies to help realtors sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. This Wednesday is GAR's monthly First Wednesday marketing workshop. And this month, I've been asked to be a panelist for the workshop all about marketing your listing. I'll be joined by an expert panel from both GAR as well as other professional photographers. This virtual presentation will be an excellent opportunity to learn more about what it takes to market your listing, as well as some industry insider tips and tricks to getting the best photos for your listing. GAR will be covering the MLS photo policy, as well as some brand new updates that you won't want to miss. Some of the pertinent topics we'll be covering will include the importance of photos and videos in the current market. You may be surprised what buyers are looking for. Does it really matter what time of day your shoot is? What sort of equipment do you really need, and can you get away with what you already have? How to prepare your listing for photos. When to DIY and when to hire a pro. This virtual presentation will be held on Zoom, and you will need to pre-register to attend. So join us on Wednesday at 9 a.m. for this great presentation. There will be a Q&A, so bring your questions. We feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers. That's why at Servant 360, we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.